Imagine a creature so ancient, it predates dinosaurs. A living fossil that glows in the dark and wields venom potent enough to kill a human. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Welcome to the mysterious world of scorpions. Did you know that scorpions are some of the most unique and fascinating creatures on our planet? These 8-legged arachnids have been around for over 430 million years, surviving multiple mass extinctions and adapting to some of the harshest environments on Earth. From the scorching deserts of North Africa to the frozen tundras of Canada, these resilient creatures have found ways to thrive where others perish. But what makes scorpions truly extraordinary is their diversity. With over 2,500 known species, scorpions come in a stunning array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are barely visible to the naked eye, while others can grow to be as long as your forearm. And each species has its own set of remarkable adaptations that allow it to survive and flourish in its unique habitat. In this video, we're going to take you on a journey to discover some of the rarest and most unique scorpions on Earth. We'll explore how these incredible creatures have evolved to survive in extreme environments. And we'll delve into the power of their venom, a cocktail of complex proteins that can be both deadly and potentially life-saving. Let us start our exploration with one of the most visually striking scorpions in the world, the emperor scorpion. Native to the rainforests of West Africa, this jet-black giant can grow up to 8 inches long, making it one of the largest scorpions on the planet. But size isn't the emperor scorpion's only claim to fame. Like all scorpions, it has a secret superpower. It glows under ultraviolet light. This fluorescence is caused by a substance in the scorpion's exoskeleton called beta-carboline. When exposed to UV light, it emits a brilliant blue-green glow that's visible even from a distance. Scientists aren't entirely sure why scorpions have this ability, but some theories suggest it might help them detect and avoid harmful UV radiation. Moving from the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, we encounter another unique species, the deathstalker scorpion. Don't let its small size fool you. This pale yellow scorpion, found in North Africa and the Middle East, is considered one of the most dangerous in the world. Its venom is a potent neurotoxin that can cause severe pain, fever, and in rare cases, death. But here's where things get interesting. The same venom that makes the deathstalker so deadly also holds promise in the medical field. Researchers have found that compounds in its venom could potentially be used to treat brain tumors and diabetes. It is a perfect example of how nature's deadliest creatures often hold the key to groundbreaking medical treatments. Now, let us journey to the opposite extreme. From the hottest deserts to one of the coldest habitats where scorpions are found. Meet the Euscorpius germanus, a species that calls the Alps its home. This hardy little scorpion has adapted to survive in temperatures as low as -1 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Fahrenheit. It does this by producing a type of antifreeze in its body, allowing it to remain active even when other insects have long since frozen solid. But perhaps one of the most bizarre scorpions is the Typhlochactus machelli, found only in a handful of caves in Mexico. This tiny scorpion, barely half an inch long, has evolved to live in complete darkness. Over millions of years it has lost its eyes entirely, relying instead on highly sensitive hairs on its pincers and legs to navigate its pitch-black world. Speaking of unique adaptations, we can't forget the Parabuthus transvolicus, or the giant deathstalker. This scorpion, native to southern Africa, has developed a rather unusual defense mechanism. When threatened, it can spray its venom up to a meter away, aiming for its attacker's eyes. This ability to spit venom is extremely rare among scorpions, and makes the giant deathstalker a formidable opponent. Now, let's talk about how scorpions manage to survive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. These resilient creatures have a host of adaptations that allow them to thrive where other animals struggle to survive. For instance, desert-dwelling scorpions have a waxy layer on their exoskeleton that helps them retain water in arid conditions. They can also slow down their metabolism to such an extent that some species can survive on as little as a single insect per year. This ability to conserve energy and water is crucial in environments where both are scarce. Scorpions are also masters of thermoregulation. During the day, when desert temperatures soar, they retreat to cool burrows or hide under rocks. At night, when temperatures plummet, they emerge to hunt. Their exoskeleton even changes color slightly with temperature, becoming darker in colder conditions to absorb more heat. But perhaps the most impressive survival tactic of scorpions is their ability to enter a state of dormancy. When conditions become too harsh, some species can lower their metabolic rate by up to 75%, allowing them to survive long periods without food or water. There have even been reports of scorpions surviving several months submerged in water. Now, let's delve into one of the most fascinating aspects of scorpions, their venom. Scorpion venom is a complex cocktail of hundreds of different compounds, each evolved to target specific types of prey or defend against predators. While all scorpions are venomous, only about 25 species have venom potent enough to be lethal to humans. The most dangerous of these belong to the Buthidae family, which includes the aforementioned deathstalker and the Indian red scorpion. The venom of these scorpions contains powerful neurotoxins that can cause intense pain, muscle spasms, and in severe cases, respiratory failure. However, it's important to note that fatalities from scorpion stings are rare, especially with prompt medical treatment. But here's where things get really interesting. The same venom that makes these scorpions so dangerous also holds incredible potential for medical research. Scientists have discovered that certain compounds in scorpion venom could be used to create new treatments for a range of conditions, from chronic pain to malaria. For example, a peptide found in the venom of the Israeli deathstalker scorpion has shown promise in treating a type of brain cancer called glioma. The peptide binds specifically to cancer cells, potentially allowing for more targeted and effective treatments. Another compound found in scorpion venom has been found to block a specific ion channel in the body associated with autoimmune diseases. This discovery could lead to new treatments for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. Even more surprisingly, researchers have found that scorpion venom could help in the development of new antibiotics. With the growing threat of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, this discovery could be a game-changer in the field of medicine. As we wrap up our journey through the world of scorpions, it's clear that these ancient creatures are far more than just dangerous pests. They are marvels of evolution, survivors of countless environmental changes, and potential sources of life-saving medical treatments. From the glowing emperor scorpion to the cave-dwelling Typhlocactus mitchellii, from the venom-spitting giant deathstalker to the freeze-resistant alpine scorpion, each species tells a unique story of adaptation and survival. The next time you see a scorpion, whether in a nature documentary or safely behind glass in a zoo, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity of these living fossils. They may be small, but they carry within them millions of years of evolutionary history and potentially the keys to medical breakthroughs of the future. In the grand tapestry of life on Earth, scorpions are a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of nature. They remind us that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way not just to survive, but to thrive and evolve in the most extraordinary ways.